Ziburon here with Jerry Mahoney.
This is blow sand. I mean, it's almost pure sand. The problem with sand, growing in sand, you know, is it just doesn't hold the nutrients. So you can see, you know, the texture of this is no texture at all. It's just sand. It doesn't, the water just runs right through it. So
there's very little organic matter to enrich the whole microclimate of the soil.
Right.
What you're seeing here is the original sand that the grass was planted in 7 years ago. This area right in here is the actual soil that's developed over the last 7 years by using the fish fertilizer, and you can indeed develop soil over time just from sand by using a fertilizer.
You know, I mean, I guess I almost think of it as like hydroponic farming in a way.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah, and it's especially difficult here this time of year when it's raining, leaching all of the nutrients out of the root zone. So that's why we like the foliar application. It gets on the leaves and you know, it's sustaining the growth of this crop. A foliar application is an application we make through our backpack sprayer. So we mix 24 ounces of the fish product with about 3 gallons of water, and then we, you know, put the backpack sprayer on and just spray it directly onto the plant and try and cover as much of it as we can. Well, I found that this product, you know, a lot of products claim that you can apply it that way. You don't always get the results, but with this fish product, it works. For example, this crop here is due for an application, and within 2 or 3 days you see it turn a few shades greener without any burn, without, you know, if you look closely at the plants, you can't see any residual burn or any sign of the applications made on there. It just, I think it all just gets absorbed through the leaves and it works. Burn is just salts in the products, and you know, these leaves are tender.
Very tender, and they're lush, but they're very delicate. And so anything applied to there that has a high salt concentration, like synthetic fertilizer, will tend to leave burn spots, and it looks like pinholes that will be on the leaves, and that affects the amount of photosynthesis that can be handled by the plant, and in turn decreasing the amount of crop that is going to be produced. I
mean, once you burn the leaves on there, you start fighting the losing battle. You don't always have the best soil available, especially for organic production. You know, it doesn't really take much in terms, we could probably do this whole field. I think it takes 2 loads in the backpack sprayer. Probably have that done in about half an hour. I'm talking, well, of water, about 9 gallons, and that would probably be about, what, a half gallon of material?
Right.
35, 40 pounds a week. So I'm expecting to get a couple $100 out of here of product. $4 a pound, you know, $800, $1,000.
Yeah.
So for a small investment of, you know, $40, $50 of fertilizer, it's a pretty fair trade, I think. Guys are applying
anywhere from 300 to 600 pounds to the acre.
And with this system right here, we're probably using 10% of the nitrogen that they're using out there, you know. I think it's a good investment. You know, it's paid off for me. I've used, I don't know how many, probably been certified organic farmer since 1996. I probably used 15 or 20 different fish products. And what I like about this is you don't need all the crazy agitation. It doesn't smell. The most important thing is it works.